Metaverse, augmented reality, virtual reality. These are the buzzwords you've been hearing everywhere. But here's a question. Do you really know what they mean? Or is it all just hype? Now, here's the scary part. If you don't understand the difference between what's real and what's marketing fluff, you could waste money on useless gadgets, get left behind in future jobs, or even miss the biggest opportunities in tech that the world has ever seen. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. What AR, VR, and the Metaverse really are, how they're being used all around the world, what problems still exist, and what breakthrough is coming that could change everything. And trust me, you'll want to stick till the end, because I'll share a game-changing update that could bring this futuristic world into the hands of everyone, not just the rich or techies. Let's start simple. Think of virtual reality, VR, as putting on a headset and stepping inside a video game or a completely digital world. Everything around you is computer-generated, from the walls to the sky. Now, augmented reality. AR is a little different. Imagine pointing your phone at your living room and suddenly seeing a dinosaur walking across your sofa. That's AR, adding digital objects on top of the real world. And then comes the Metaverse. The Metaverse is like a massive digital universe where these experiences can connect. It's not just one game or one app. It's the idea of a shared virtual world where people can work, play, shop, study, and even build businesses. In short, the internet, but fully 3D and immersive. Now here's the fun part. VR isn't actually new. Back in the 1980s and 90s, tech companies were already experimenting with clunky VR headsets. They looked like giant toasters strapped to your face. And honestly, they made most people dizzy. But today, thanks to companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, Microsoft with HoloLens, and even Apple's Vision Pro, the technology has leveled up big time. And it's not just the US, China, Europe, Japan. They're all racing ahead with their own AR and VR ecosystems. Okay, let's get practical. Where is AR, VR, and the Metaverse actually being used today? Education. Students in Europe are learning history by walking through virtual castles. Medical students in the US are practicing surgeries in VR without touching a real patient. Business. In Japan, companies train workers using AR glasses, guiding them step-by-step on complex machines. Retail. Brands like IKEA let you place digital furniture in your home with AR before buying it. Entertainment. Virtual concerts in the Metaverse are pulling in millions of fans worldwide. Imagine watching your favorite band from your bedroom while standing next to fans from Brazil, India, and Germany at the same time. See? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now around the globe, but it's not perfect. Let's be real. VR headsets are still expensive. Wearing them too long can feel heavy or uncomfortable. Some people even get motion sickness. AR needs powerful phones or glasses that aren't yet mainstream. And of course, the Metaverse faces big issues, like privacy, security, and even rules about who owns what in a digital world. So yeah, the dream is exciting, but we're not fully there yet. Here's the part you've been waiting for. Right now, researchers and tech companies are working on cheaper, lighter, and way more realistic AR/VR headsets. Some startups are even developing systems that let you experience 3D worlds using just your smartphone. No bulky headset needed. This means we are closer than ever to a world where immersive tech is available for everyone. Not just gamers, not just techies, but students, workers, families, no matter where you live in the world. So that's the Metaverse, AR and VR, explained simply, but with the big picture in mind. The question is, will you adapt early or wait until this tech is everywhere? If this breakdown helped clear the fog, hit the like button, subscribe to ThinkTechAi, and share this with a friend who still thinks VR is only for gamers. And tell me in the comments, which global use case excites you the most? Education, business, or entertainment? I'll be reading your thoughts.